Hey guys, have a look at my computer. I have the Zoom desktop application here on my PC and ready to use. Now, if you want to get the Zoom desktop app on your computer, let me show you the easiest way how to get it. And you don't even have to go to your browser, go to some official website to get it. So what you want to do is simply click the start button on the taskbar and you want to type in store to find the Microsoft Store. And of course, it requires an active internet connection, so ensure that you have an active working internet connection to do this. Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue. Then from here, you just want to use a search at the top and type in Zoom and you'll find Zoom Workplace. You click on that and here you'll find the Zoom app. This is a fully usable Zoom desktop application that you can simply install directly from the Microsoft Store onto your computer. Once you do that, guys, you will be able to have Zoom on your computer and you can use the app. You'll be able to search for it. Simple type in Zoom Workplace and you can find the app. You can open it. And that's all that you have to do. You will need to create an account. If you don't got one, you can easily sign up with, for example, single sign-on. If you have a specific corporate email address, you can use your Google account, you can use your Microsoft account, you can use whatever, right? Even your Apple account you can use to sign in. So go ahead and try to download the app and sign in with whichever account that you can to use the app. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.